Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to earn money from TikTok. 1. Link your website. Create a website and build it to showcase your portfolio, blog or business. Add the link to your TikTok bio. Use engaging TikTok content to direct followers to your site and add affiliate links to your website. When users make purchases through your links, you earn a commission. 2. Promote partnerships. Partner with companies from sponsored posts that happen when you gain a lot of followers on TikTok. Brands prefer influencers with authentic personalities and loyal audiences, so it's all about creating content. Just make sure to create a good content that drives traffic to your audience or to your account. That TikTok also have a partner program that you can use to gain money. Just post, and for every $10, for every 1K of views, you're gonna get a portion of the income. When you post content and you get around 1K for views, you're gonna get an amount of money depending on your RPM, which is rate per minute. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.